Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to check my Facebook login device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you go to your Facebook app. You can see that three dot icon. Tap on this icon. Scroll down here, tap on setting and privacy. Next, tap on setting. You can see that Meta account center. Tap on password and security. Next, tap on password and security. You can see that already where you are logged in. Tap on this. Here you will see which phone is logged into your Facebook ID. Thank you for my watching to video. Please subscribe to my channel.